everyone, start off by taking a scarf and then make it interlock right in the center as such. Now after this, pull one section through the other and then adjust it as need be. You can also put it through the side as such. Start off by taking your scarf, wrap it around the neck, then slightly loosen it. Take either end, make it crisscross in the middle, join the two ends and then bring it out through the center. Take your scarf and then add this knob to it and then pull it in such a way that it comes to the center. Now pull either side of it through the center of this knob and afterwards adjust it. Next, take your scarf and then make it crisscross right in the center. Take two fingers, put it right in the neck area, that is the base of it, and then put one finger through the other after making a knot out of it and wrapping it around it. Now take a longer scarf and then wrap it around the neck as such, make a small gap, loosen it, twist it, and then pull both the sections through it as such. After this, slightly adjust it and then pull it through. Next, we will start off by making a knot out of the scarf and then wrap it around the neck as such. Pull both the ends through this knot that you have created. Now, loop the scarf and then pull both the sections through it. Wrap the scarf around the neck and then after this, make a knot right in the front of it as such. Take another knot and then make it right at the base. Take your scarf and then take your brooch off the scarf and then pull both of the sections through it. Now pull through the sides in the side of this brooch and then it should look like a bow. Next, take your longer scarf and then wrap it around the neck, slightly loosen it, twist it and then pull one section through to begin with. Make a loop out of it and then pull your other section through. Next, take your scarf and then make multiple folds on it as such. Now wrap it around the neck and then make a knot out of it and then once again make another knot out of it and then adjust it. Now take your scarf and then afterwards wrap it around the neck as such. Pull one section through the other and then pull the second section through the center as well. Now take your scarf and then wrap it around the neck, make multiple knots through it and then pull it through the top as such. Pull the other section through the side and then adjust it. Put the scarf around the neck, make it crisscross right in the center, make a loop out of it, wrap it around the neck and pull it through the same side. Wrap the scarf around the neck and then pull it through one of the sections, make a loop and then get the other section through. Crisscross the initial section of the scarf and then wrap it around the neck, pull it through the other section. Make a loop out of one of the sections and pull the other section through. Thank you for watching.